here at the shop. I'm the only one here, so I figured I should clean this place up. Somewhat cleaned up the shop. This one I'm gonna finish up, and then I'll get the next three. I'm gonna oil this up, oil the cylinders up, and get to work. Look at this. Oh yeah.
Yeah. When he's at the Jerry show or whatever? Yeah. This one.
Alright. Look how easy that came off right there, where the combustion happens. Whereas right here you can still see them.
Let me come say hi, dog. Just kidding. Get your boys. Stop and sit. Fucking simp.
A few moments later.
I had to go close my windows from the car, and I guess some of the tree fell on the actual shop. Never seen anything like this.
To port a Ford engine stand.
3 weeks later.
So, we're gonna go ahead and get an engine stand for the block so we could start putting the pistons
in, ring the pistons, set the bearings in, torque everything, just get the block prepped and everything.
Hopefully we can get the head on there too. Hey, they're just sitting over there. I'm with Audi right now. We're gonna go make a stop, get the engine stand, and then we'll be back at the shop pretty soon. Boom. Oh, what's up, buddy? That's the shop dog. But we finally got this thing. Went good and put it together. Cylinders are looking pretty good for the most part. And then the head's sitting over here. It's looking pretty nice.
It's just the way it's sitting there. We just do that. Yeah, we just use, we can't get this one. We'll just use. Okay.
So, here we have our engine mounts. So this is a tranny. Yeah. This is for the tranny. And then these go to the actual mounts as well. AC and power steering pump delete. So these are billet aluminum. The moment you've been all waiting for. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can get one of these rods out. Yep. Forged rods. ARP. We already got the cylinders cleaned up.
It's gonna blow up.
Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get all these holes cleaned up.
3:28 a.m.
So we just spent the last 20 minutes measuring piston to wall clearance. We're just gonna go ahead and throw the pistons and rods together. Let's compare the rods. Stock versus forged. And these are H-beam. Anyway, yeah.
Rod will go through here. Yeah, you should totally be rolling those on the floor. And then the pin through there. And then so once we get the rod and pin in, these little clips go on the outside of the pin on each side. And so that's what holds it in.
Okay, so 2 hours later, we got the first one. I don't know if you could see, you could see the clip. Yeah, the clip's in there. And so, anyhow, so we got our main bearings in. The usual suspects, Blaze and Audi.
Broken arm, though.
Useless. So we're gonna use some plastic gauge to measure the bearing clearances. So ours is 0.038 to 0.051. That's the range we're looking for clearance on the bearings. I'm already back at Audi's house. Here's the reveal for the transmission. So we're back at the shop today. Here's a closer look at it. It's obviously 5-speed manual, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the pistons and rods into this thing. Should be pretty fun for the most part. We're starting early today since it's our only day off. Kind of nervous as we're getting this thing in there. So we got the first one in, and then we clocked the rings on the second one.
Bro, that is a clean ass G35 on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm gonna build the motor here, and then we're gonna do a build on it.
So finally got the pistons and rods in this thing.
Totally gonna save this block, dude.
Oh my god.
Bring it back to life. I can't fucking move it no more.
We're gonna line our rods with the actual journals, and then I'll go ahead and put the other ends in with the ARP studs. So I had to stop working on the engine. The company I bought from JDM Orlando did not have their title as K20A, so they basically catfished me into thinking that I was buying the higher performance motor, which was not the case. And I had to take a break for a while. It's been a few days since I hit the engine. Try to keep you guys as updated as possible. For now, it's Cozy Tez out.